Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Just reviewing everything. I was trying to go over everything that I had been making, and I kind of realized that in the last videos I didn't really talk about like PowerShell and PowerShell ISE. So PowerShell is like native command that you're gonna run that's not gonna show any output. It's not a text editor. It's not gonna be able to show any information. The great thing about PowerShell ISE is going to be able to actually show you like how to like run commands, and it gives you a bunch of ideas on the right side here, and then you can really like formulate it out if you need to formulate it out. But I kind of just have this up just to make it a little bit easier in case I need to like run something or break it down. But for the most part, you can use PowerShell for a lot of things that we have been doing in chapters 1 and 2. 3 seems like a lot of the same thing, but I think later on we'll have to actually be creating scripts and everything. And at that point, I like Sublime the most, but I think for right now, I'll keep on using PowerShell ISE. So, we'll get started with it. So it's combining commands. So it says starting a Windows service. So if we want to start a Windows service, we got $service name equals WUA use get service, like I was talking the last one. Boom, service name. So it's going to show that it's stopped. So then we can start the service. Name specified by its name with the dollar. Service. And now, if we wanted to double up, now it's running. Simple as that. So it says you can get text service to make sure PowerShell doesn't throw any errors. Chances the service is already running. If it is, start text service will simply return the control of the console. When you're starting just one service, running the command like this isn't particularly taxing, but you can imagine how monotonous it might get if you were working with hundreds of services. Let's look how to simplify this problem. Alright, so it says command 1, pipe it to command 2. So it says get service tag name, same service name, and then we're going to pipe it to start service. Spelled it wrong. There's an extra U after the A. There we go. So simple as that. Do the exact same thing to stop too. Boom. And we can start back up again. Get service. Start service. Get service. So it says in here, so what I'm going to do, cd back, cd users, me, boom. Alright, so then inside, let's go to and then let's just keep it right here. So we will then control Windows E inside here. Go back to this PC. Alright, and then here we're going to create a file. Call it services.txt. Then inside this file, I'm going to specify WA UAU serve, and then along with that, it's going to be W32 time. Save that. So it should just look like that. Alright, so in there, we will then go get content, path, just like that. Oh, specified, yeah, that does make sense. Okay, content. The reason I did txt is because I specified txt, and it's already a text document, so it's just gonna add it on. So, just knowing the difference in Linux and Windows can be helpful. Alright, so then txt, our double txt file. Alright, so it shows the service and whether they're running or stopped. Alright, and then it says, alright, so then we'll do the get tech help. Boom, and then get service full. It's going to show the full information amount for all the help, which is a lot. So, let's do WUAU serve get service. Shows it running. So now, $service object. Now we want equals PS custom object name equals WAU serve computer name equals 1. Boom. Alright, and then we're going to go service object again. Service object get service. So you can always tab and able to finish it out. So just like that. Did I type anything wrong? PS custom object, boom boom. Always verifying your code is very important. Computer name equals serve1. Looks like I spelled everything correctly. Yeah. Interesting. Well, so then we have Powershell script we're going to put in the same directory. So in here, and let's look. By looking at the commands parameters, specify they're using a hash table to cleanly store the ones they need, blah, blah, blah. And then it looks like, so we want to have these RPS files to be remote signed. So we'll go drag this up. CLS is clearing the screen. So then we're going to go in here and do get execution policy. So remote signed is how I switched it. you have to be administrator, and then once you're inside administrator, then you can do remote signed. So I'm already to this step that we're talking about, and then scripting in PowerShell. So enable to start PowerShell ISE from just PowerShell. You can go PowerShell ISE.exe, and that'll literally load ISE. So it's actually loading another instance as of right now, which is right here. So that's how you can do that. And then you can save these documents and write them. And then we'll do something as simple as this. Write tech host hello just like that. And you can save it as whatever you want. Inside of here, we'll save it to write host. And we'll save it to right where we are right now. So write host. So then if I just do write host, it's gonna write a host. So that's the end of 4. If you like this, appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'll be creating a lot more of these all the way until 20. So I'm having a lot of fun learning. It's gonna be good, especially when we get on those higher chapters and start doing Active Directory and things with that. So just let me know what other type of videos you want to see. Definitely can go over whether it's cyber news, new Docker containers. Got a bunch of different things. I have Unraid and Proxmox server, so if you're interested in seeing anything like that, definitely can show you around. A lot more Splunk videos. I can definitely help out with that, and I got a lot with Active Directory too that I can also do. So if you're interested in any of that, just let me know. We have a great day.